So, if you want to get homemade ice cream sandwich.
Tiramisu, pina colada.
On Salt Spring. Right here at the Salad Wagon
By Manhall.
by Manhall. Under the eucalyptus
Wendy's
tree.
Art is in Manhall.
Yes,
Wendy's
we're out
Art
riding
Place.
right now and went into one of the stores and a lady was eating one of these things. They are good.
And check out Wendy's Art in Manhall.
They're good. Another warm day on Salt Spring Island. Thanks for watching. Check out the salad truck. Cheers. Bees love lavender. Bees also like eucalyptus. Lots of bees on the lavender. See you later, Megan. And when those eucalyptus trees get flowers on them, they just go freaking crazy on them.
You ready?